In this tutorial, I'll be showing you ways to change TV provider on ESPN app iPhone. To change TV provider on ESPN app iPhone, you could follow these simple steps. First of all, make sure that you are logged into your account. When you're logged into your ESPN account, then it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, while you're on this page, you want to go ahead and click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. Then when you press on the gear icon, you could see settings. Underneath, you could find multiple options. So here, what you could do is you could go ahead and then you could go ahead and locate TV provider. Once you click on TV provider, next thing what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure to change the TV provider. So unfortunately, I do not, I have a different interface. So when you want to change it, you want to go ahead and press on that and you will be able to see the instructions. Just follow it and then you could go ahead and change the TV provider on ESPN app iPhone. With that being said, we've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.